Most people think the future belongs to those with the best degrees, but that's no longer true. In the age of artificial intelligence, one skill is becoming more valuable than any diploma, certificate, or title. And surprisingly, it has nothing to do with coding. The most valuable skill in the AI era is knowing how to think with AI. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's a thinking partner. The people who benefit the most from AI are not the most technical ones. They're the ones who know how to ask the right questions, give clear instructions, and guide AI toward useful results. This skill is called prompting. Prompting is the ability to communicate your intent clearly to AI systems so they can deliver meaningful, accurate, and useful output. And this skill is becoming essential because AI is now used in writing, design, marketing, business, research, education, and content creation. Two people can use the same AI tool and get completely different results. The difference is not intelligence. The difference is clarity. The person who knows how to explain what they want will always get better outcomes. And this is where the real opportunity lies. AI doesn't replace human thinking. It rewards it. If you can think clearly, structure ideas, and communicate intent, AI multiplies your ability. This is why people who master this skill will work faster, earn more, and stay relevant no matter how technology evolves. Degrees can become outdated, tools can change, but the ability to think, adapt, and communicate clearly will always matter. And this is exactly what we focus on here on FutureMind AI. Not trends, not hype, not fear, but practical skills that help you work smarter in a world powered by artificial intelligence. In the next videos, I'll show you how to develop this skill step by step, with real examples, simple techniques, and practical workflows. If you want to stay valuable in the AI era, subscribe to FutureMind AI, because the future won't belong to the most educated people. It will belong to the most adaptable ones.